Hey everyone, it's Hannah here at ColDesi, and in this video we're going to be sublimating on a patch and then heat applying it onto a hat. Now this is a really awesome way to use both a sublimation printer and an embroidery machine, and it's a really unique offering that your customers probably can't get anywhere else. So let's go ahead and show you how we did it. So we're printing a bunch of different car photos on just one sheet of our text print sublimation paper, and we sell a bunch of different sizes of this on Colman and Company. We're using an 8.5 by 11 today. So a creative way to make photorealistic patches is through sublimation. So this white patch material that we have here from ColmanandCompany.com is 100% polyester, so we can sublimate on this. So what we're going to do is we're going to sublimate our car photos on this patch material and then embroider our patch border. So to sublimate this, we're going to put our printed transfer right on our patch material, sandwich this together, and stick it under our heat press. Now this is done heat pressing, so this is ready to go. I can go ahead and just take this transfer off. And now we can go ahead and apply our heat spun to the back of the patch material. So we cut out a piece of our heat spun from the roll that it comes in, and you can find that on ColmanandCompany.com as well. And what this does is it's a stabilizer for embroidery. We're going to flip the patch material over, put our heat spun on top, sandwich it together again, and put it under the heat press. Now this is ready for embroidery. So now we can hoop this together and we can head on over to our Avancé embroidery machine. So now we're sewing a nice thick border around our sublimated patch material. And for more detailed patch making instructions, you can visit ColmanandCompany.com. It'll be right there where you buy your patch materials. Now we can take this back over to our heat press and add our heat seal. So the heat seal also comes in a roll. So we're gonna cut this out to about the size of our patch. And what this is going to do is give us a more stable patch, and it's also going to allow us to heat apply this patch right onto our hat. So we're going to flip our patch material over again and add our heat seal to the back, and we're going to sandwich this together and stick it under our heat press. Now this is ready, and we can go ahead and cut this out using our hot knife. So when I cut out this patch using my hot knife, I am going to use just the tip here. And what this is going to do is it's going to cut out our patch and also seal the edges at the same time. So now I can just pop my patch out of the backing here, and I can use my hot knife, the barrel here, to just smooth out the edges. So now we have our cutout patch here. And again, because we added that heat seal to the back, we can just go ahead and heat apply this right onto our hat. So we're using our snapback trucker hat right now, and we're just gonna center that right on top. Then I have a little cutout piece of my finishing paper here, and we're gonna tape this over the patch. This is gonna help secure it into place, but it's also gonna make sure that the patch doesn't sublimate onto our flexible finishing sheet here that we're going to use on top. And then we're just going to heat press this. Now this custom sublimated patch hat is complete. Now this is just one great example of what you can do with a sublimation printer and an embroidery machine. And it's another way to just increase your offerings. So if you want to learn more about the products used here, you can visit ColmanandCompany.com.